Hello there again, and this is part 3 and the final part of building this gaming PC. Well, this is not really building it anymore, because I already built it, but now it's just installing the drivers and connecting to the internet. So yeah, this computer is really new, and yeah, it's my new custom built PC. And I already installed Windows 10 on it, and it works great. So yeah, and I actually did have to configure the BIOS, which is a really fancy BIOS, by the way, and all that stuff. So yeah, that was pretty hard to do, but I finally got it to work. And I also had to plug in the SATA connectors into the hard drive and solid state drive, which took a little poking around a bit, but I finally got it. So yeah, this thing works pretty good. Okay, so first I'm going to connect to the internet using this EDUP wireless adapter, which is a pretty good adapter. It's like 2.4 to 5 gigahertz and whatnot, and it's a USB one, so therefore I don't have to see all those wires going to a router and things like that. And these are the drivers and utilities which I'll use right now. Oh, and I also have the manual behind me. Okay, so first I'm gonna insert the disk into the external CD writer, because it doesn't have a optical drive. So yeah. It's just reading it. Okay, I need to choose what happens to it. Sure, I can open it in File Explorer. Choose Windows. Run setup.exe. And I will get prompted by user account control, I think, but we'll see. Yep. I'm gonna click yes. It's just getting ready to install. It's from Install Shield Wizard. Okay, finally it's here. So yeah, I think I can now plug in this thing, and we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna try doing this now. Let's try find it. What? Okay, there it is. Okay, so I have now plugged in the USB adapter, and I'm sorry that I had to cut this video back, but I had some difficulties trying to get this thing to work, because it just kept saying that I was not connected and all. So, but I finally did, and I can do it now. So now I'm going to select the SSID that I prefer. I'm connected to baby, and I'm gonna type the encryption key, confirm it. And then click OK. It's just loading now, so okay, so I'm now connected to my SSID, and I think I can hit close now, and I can safely eject the disk. Okay, so now I will get to I'll get to the other disk, the other drivers and utilities that I'm going to install, and that is the utilities for my motherboard. It's right here. I'm just gonna insert it. Choose this, and there. It now has all of the utilities set. I wonder if I can move these to the local disk. So I'm gonna try doing that if I can. Just look for the driver. Oh, here's the setup. Yes. Next. Browse. I'm just gonna hit local disk C. I think program files is fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. What? Okay, I think I need to do something here. Just gonna make new folder. Just gonna call it MSI motherboard. And there. Alright, so this is the setup, and yeah, the driver and software setup for the drivers and utilities. And yeah, I don't get why I have to just keep poking around at everything. At first I thought it was just a install and go thing, but really it's a big obstacle. What? Okay, it's just loading up some Google Chrome crap, and okay, this is waiting now, so it's probably gonna take a while, so just bear with me. Alright, so I did have to cut the video back a bit, but I finally got the drivers installed, and I got this whole new wallpaper along with it, and it installed some pretty good things for me. Like it installed Google Chrome and Google Drive and Norton Security, which will be my antivirus software on this, I guess, along with Windows Defender. But I only have the 60-day free trial, but I might pay for it. But just remember, Norton Security is kind of expensive. So okay, so now I will install the drivers for my graphics card, which is for my Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card. Just gonna insert it. Now I might have to cut the video back since this will take some poking around, but who knows. Yep, open in File Explorer. Find the setup. Hit yes. And off it goes. Sure, I'd like to install. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Something about Oris graphics engine. But I don't even know what the hell that is, but I'll find out somehow. Okay, so it just got done loading all the files, so I can do this now. Yes, it's already selected, and I'm in the setup wizard, and I selected the file, the destination folder, so hit next, create a desktop icon. Sure, I can do that. Install. Okay, it's almost done. It's extracting the files. And user account control is probably going to come up, but it already happened, so probably not. And there it is. I'm all finished. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, the files are being saved to my computer and the driver installation will start. Alright, so it just got done moving all the files from the disk to my computer's hard drive, and now it's just checking the system compatibility. Yes, I agree with the license agreement. Yes, options. Express is recommended for the installation option, so I'll select that. GeForce RTX 280, buy now? Nah, thanks, I'm good on that. I'm good with my GeForce GTX 1050. LOL. So again, I'm now going to cut this video short since this might take a while. So yeah, I'll see you guys right after this. So guys, here it is, my official custom built desktop PC, which is now running Windows 10 Home, and yeah, I installed all the drivers and utilities and connected to the internet, and it's good and ready to go. And I also installed some software along the way, and yeah, I also got Google Chrome and Norton Security, so yeah, that's a plus. So this is a computer that I will be doing most of my tutorials on and things like that. Yeah, and mostly like play my games on and a lot of that stuff. So yeah, it's pretty neat. So that's all I have for now, and that said, this is Every Tech Time, and thanks for watching my 3-part video series on building this custom built desktop PC. And I'll see you in the next video.